guys, it's me, Stace. Welcome back to the Friday PIP, which is our Pinterest inspired project, and this is the card we're making today. Really fun and different. There's the inside there. Alright, so to get started, you will need a piece of cardstock for the base of the card. This piece is 8.5 by 5.5. You want to score that at 4 1/4. Then we have these 4 strips of cardstock. These all measure 1 inch wide, and you need 2 of them that are 4 1/4 and 2 of them that are 3 1/2. So 1 by 4 1/4, 1 by 3 1/2. Then you'll need some pattern paper. I have 4 here. You'll need 2 of them that measure 4 inches, and then 2 of them that measure 3 1/4. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is adhere our pattern paper to our strips. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and grab my glue. We're going to adhere this one to this one. And this one. This is a great card to use up your scraps. And when I seen this on Pinterest, it was really cute, but I did not see the dimensions, so I kind of just guessed at what they were. And you want to use 2 different pattern papers as well. And our last one over here. And then we're going to need 2 pieces of white. They both measure 4 by 5 1/4. One will be for the front, and then one will be for the outside. Alright, now we have our card base. We have our 2 pieces of white. I'm going to work on just this one first. And then you want to just figure out the arrangement. So I have a long one coming down here, a long one going up this way, and then I have this one going under that one, and then this one is going over and under like that, okay? So I'm first going to grab my glue and work with the bottom one here. And I'm just going to put glue on the very bottom. Just like that, just to help me hold it in place while I do the rest of the card. Okay, so that one's there. And I'm going to do the same for this one. Just put a little bit of glue on the top, just to hold them down. And this one's going to go up here. Make sure they're straight. Now we're going to take these pieces and just kind of weave them in where they're going to go. So this one goes under and over. So I can glue this one down. Alright, so under and over. I want to go up a little bit more. Okay, and then this one is going to go over this one and under that one. So we can go ahead and put glue on this one. And I want to have this one go farther over this way. Like that, I think is cute. Alright, now I'll just pick this piece up, put some glue right behind it, and at the top to hold that piece down. And do the same for this piece. Just lift it up, put some glue right under it on the white, and then a little bit toward the top of that piece to help hold it down. Okay, so there's the card front. We're going to take this and adhere that to our card base. And then we're going to stamp on it. Get that centered. Okay, the stamps that I'm using is one of Made It. It's called We Just Fit. Alright, so I have the greeting somewhere over here. There we go. The greeting of We Just Fit. I'm going to grab some red ink. And I'm going to stamp this on the bottom. I'm first going to stamp off there to make sure I have good coverage on my stamp before I should have stamped this first. But we're going to hope it's okay. Alright, we're going to stamp this right at the bottom. Straight down, straight up. Then I have the heart. I'm going to go ahead and grab the heart out of here. I forgot to get that. A little heart. And again, I'm going to stamp off first And I'm going to stamp 3 little hearts in the upper left-hand corner. And then another one kind of going that way. Okay, so now we have the inside. We're going to stamp that as well. And this one says, I love you to pieces. So it kind of fits that puzzle theme, even though we didn't use puzzle pieces for the card. But it's like a basket weave, so I think it kind of works the same. All right, let me go and grab that one. I'm going to stamp it. I'm going to get rid of that smudge right there. All right, so I'm going to bring it down towards me so I'm able to stamp it straight. Nope, I didn't stamp it straight. Wouldn't you know it? All right, let's go ahead and stamp it on this side. There's a smudge there. I can get rid of that off camera. All right. So I'm going to stamp it again. Straight down, straight up, firm pressure. Good that time. All right, now let's going to take this and adhere that to our card. For the inside. And that little smudge of ink right there, I have a mono eraser. Do I have it near me? It erases it, which I need to invest in that because I'm always messing up. Here it is right here, a little mono eraser. Just take that. It kind of is almost like sandpaper, I guess, and it removes the little smudge. Okay, so now it's all gone. And our card is cute. So we have that card. Oh my gosh, you said I just did. I put that on there the wrong way. You know what? We're going to go with it. It's one of those cards, right? It'll give them a laugh. So there's the card there. I do like their red better than the green. I think it just pops against the white a little better, but oh my gosh, right? Okay. That's how the card should look if you do it correctly. Alright guys, any questions at all, please let me know. As always, thanks so much for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.